Hello and welcome back to another new video of Sfdc SAGA. In this video, we are going to learn how to increase number of visible action buttons on a record page. So without further delay, let's get started. I am on the Accounts tab, so I'll click on the record page. I am on the account record page. So here on the top right, you'll see three buttons which are visible by default, and rest of the buttons are available in the form of drop down. Okay, but if the client needs at least 5 buttons or let's say 10 buttons on the screen to be visible, so how to do this? So to enable this, click on the gear icon, click on edit page. Once the page gets loaded, click on the highlight panel. You can see over here visible action buttons, desktop only. So here it says 3. So you can increase this to maximum 10. You can see now all the 10 buttons are visible on the highlight panel. Okay, so this is currently available only for desktop. So if you are using it, trying it in the mobile, so you will not be able to view all the action buttons. So this is available only for desktop. Let me click on save now. Let me go back to the record page. Now you can see that's about it in this video. Hope you all learned something new. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.